alongside MatrixGold once again. Thanks for tuning in. Hope the video is helping your designing process. Please smash that subscription button if you find the video useful. Tap on that notification bell for further content uploads. Leave me a like and a comment. And if you'd like to donate some coffee to the cause, down around here there's a super thanks button. You can donate some coffee to the cause. Today what we're going to be doing is continuing on our customization. So today we're going to get into appearance, and we showed how to set up viewports with the different splitting them horizontally, renaming them, making new viewports, dragging them over. So this is useful for people on monitors of multiple monitors, and then also for people using laptops, that last video. This one we're going to talk about a little bit more customization and appearances. So what we're going to do is come down here to our command line, and we're going to type in options. So after we hit enter, you'll get this Rhino options pop up, right? And right in here we have appearances, right? And now if you hit the drop down, you'll have colors. We'll talk about that in another video, but right now we're going to stay focused on just the appearances. So there's several things in here that might be interesting to some people, or you might find useful. So we'll just go through this list here. I doubt if I go through everything there, because some of them are really not relevant for us. But first thing we have here is command prompt, and this will give us our writing, what type of writing, so we can always switch this to anything, whether it's bold, let's see, symbols. You can change it to many different fonts, right? Any font that you want. So that's one. Text size, right here, the size of the text, right? So we can make that larger. As you can see, it's huge now, or we can actually make it much smaller, which, you know, depending if you're working on a laptop, you might want it a little bit larger to see, or, you know, whatever. So that's that option there for the text size. Now our background will be for our text box here, right? So you can click on that and get a color palette, and you can change it to any color that you're wanting to change it, so you can customize it a little bit however you want, right? And we'll get rid of that, we won't save that. And also our text color, we can change to different things as well, yellow, blue. We'll just cancel out of that, so you can change the text color after you get your background set up. Hover color is something kind of interesting. Our hover color will be for when we hover over any kind of option down here in our command line for a command that you're doing, right? So right now it's set to blue. Let's change it to a yellow, right? And we'll hit OK. And then we have to close out of this. And so let's get a curve. Let's do a circle. I'll go ahead and add it in. And before I end the command, I can come down here and you can see, oh, I did not hit OK. So I did not hit OK on that. So let's go back here. Options, appearance, our color blue, change it to yellow, hit OK, and then OK again. And now when we go to that command, we'll just put it on F4, and then when we hover, you can see it changes it to a different color. So you have that option as well. We'll back out of that, and we'll go back to options and continue through our list. Appearance. Okay, so you can change through this. Echo prompt to history, so it just basically takes the command and puts it in history. You don't really want to mess around with that one. Autocomplete commands. Now autocomplete is if you're typing a command in here, it'll give you the most used commands. So like, you know, I have it on right now, so let's just do an example. So if I type in an L, right away it's going to give us line, because that's the most used, and it goes through and lists out the most used commands, right? So it's much faster to find those things. So you probably definitely want to keep that one on. It helps a lot. But if you turn it off, let's go ahead and turn it off. And we'll hit OK. And now when you come down here and hit L, it's not going to complete the command for you. You're going to have to type it in all, so maybe some people, want to go ahead and type it in all, and for some reason or another, who knows? But we'll continue on. Okay, so that one to me is a good one. Use fuzzy autocomplete. Fuzzy autocomplete will, as you're typing, it'll kind of like guess what you're wanting to do. So let's go ahead and hit OK here. So if we type in, I don't know, array. So it's kind of giving me the options that it's kind of filling in the blanks, right? So let's go back here, options, and I'll show you the difference here. So, or was it fuzzy? So let's turn it off and hit OK. And now it's just going to give you just the very, very basics of it. It's not going to kind of give it a fuzzy type of thing. Let's see here. It autocomplete suggests, right? So it's good to have on for the most part. Okay, let's see. So we'll just go ahead and turn that one back on. Now, our direction arrow icon, what this is if we have let's use this. Let's change it to yellow. If we draw a line out here, this goes for surfaces as well, but we pick it, we type in dir, that's these arrows, right? So you can change the shaft of the arrow, and you can change the arrow head. That's basically what that is. So you can make it bigger or smaller, depending on what you're working on, perhaps. So you can, if you bump that up to, say, let's just go to 60, and let's put this, double that size to 20, and then we'll hit OK. So now when I click on that for my direction, you can see that it's bigger, it's a little bit longer, and it's a little bit bigger, right? So you can adjust those. Sometimes it can be in handy because sometimes they get in the way for certain things. Not very often. Pretty much just the defaults I use. 40 and I believe 10 is the defaults. Menu. The menu is this up here. Now this will not save right away. This is something that you'll have to click on and off because if you try to hit OK and then load up MatrixGold, when your default setting will go ahead and just get rid of that. But everything else should stay the same. Command prompt, if you click on this, it'll just turn off your command prompt, and when you click it back on, it'll put it at the top. But when you load in Matrix, it'll still put it it'll override wherever you put it. So no big deal. Status bar is down here at the bottom. We already have all this in other places inside Matrix. The only thing that it does do is give you locations of everything. So that's really the plus maybe for architectural or engineering. This is more useful because you can specifically point out where everything is. It will show you. Not very useful for jewelry design, I don't think. So status bar, we'll turn that off. Viewport titles, all our viewport titles, we can turn them off or turn them on here. You can also do that through the other drop down. Main window title bar is this, right? Not real useful inside Matrix, right? So I always have that clicked off. Full path in title bar. Let's see. Full path in title bar. Okay. Full path in title bar. Displays the full path of the model in the title bar. Not something, don't really need it. Viewport tabs at start. those will start up automatically. So that's kind of everything in here. Colors, what we'll do is we'll go into another video just real quick. Wanted to go through some of these in here. Hopefully it's helpful to customize however you want to make it more personalized, and let me know. Leave a like, comment if it's helpful. If not, leave a comment there. It's just not very helpful. But thanks for watching and good designing.